Patents are too expensive. Hey everybody, I'm JD Houvener, owner, founder, and patent attorney here at Bold Patents Law Firm. And I'm here to demystify that the patents are too expensive. First, want to say that yes, there is a cost, but the cost is very, very small as compared to the opportunity that exists when you have that exclusive right to be the only one to make, use, or sell your invention in the whole country. Not to mention the potential commercialization of your patent portfolio to license or sell your IP rights to other companies. Let me give you a few examples here very recently. In the most recent acquisition of Fitbit, you probably have heard of the company. In fact, I know you've heard of the acquirer, Fitbit. So Google acquired Fitbit in 2021 for $2.1 billion. But a part of that is that they also bought the IP, the intellectual property that goes with that. That's part of the valuation of the company. And although that seems like a big number, the small patent portfolio made a really big difference in terms of the valuation. And the cost of patents compared to what the market value is, very different. And so you can really appreciate that opportunity and investment that a patent is by looking at that example. Even in intellectual property or legal space, a company called Deep IP raised $15 million in a Series A funding. They're helping to assist through automation and AI for patent drafting. And it's a wonderful tool. It helps to reduce the costs of getting a patent filed. And even something as simple as a provisional patent application can be written using some of this software. Now, of course, we recommend that you run that by an attorney first, have us take a look, review it, make sure it's done properly. But AI tools today, including deep IPs, are a way that costs are coming down, and we're seeing more efficiency by using these wonderful technology tools that are available today. So don't think that patents are too expensive or that they're only for the uber wealthy or rich. They really are for you, the individual, everyday inventor, or someone who may not even consider themselves an inventor, an everyday person out there solving problems, creating solutions that you have that other people share, right? And if there's a big enough market for it, it's going to likely be worth it to invest in that small cost up front to reap the big rewards later. So that's our lesson today on patent cost. If you have more questions or you want to explore moving forward with your idea, please book a free discovery call at boldpatents.com and get started today. I'm JD Houvener, owner, founder, and patent attorney, wishing you an awesome day. Go big, go bold.